to be my man. I love this kid, man. He's a cool cat. He's got to come and do his thing. He is badass. He's pretty tall. Now you better watch his hand. Oh, damn, and they know me. That's even crazier.
Done here at MonsterCon Wonderland 2021.
He got Thor's hammer.
Are you the Sushi Later YouTuber?
Yes.
Yes, I knew it was you!
What's your name?
My name's Snickers, but I'm Andy.
Oh, Mandy, hi. You watch my stuff?
Yes,
Well, guess-
I do.
Guess what? You're on my video now.
See you later!
Oh, you rock. I guess I interrupted Leatherface and Jason. They were shopping. Now they're chopping. Trying to chop me.